Rock it for me, romance it for me, down. Let me put it inside. Body on low.
Whether Rasta a Guyanese, Ghanaian, like him, or in come from Zimbabwe, Nigeria, or is a Jamaican Rasta. All of them are the same damn thing. Let's watch where Rasta. Listen where Rasta say again.
Rock it for me, romance it for me, down. Let me put it inside. Body on low.
Rasta, fire upon that, Rasta. Boy, let me put it inside. Rasta, where condom there? Where ears test the Rasta? Where full panel there? Oh, remember, so you don't do full panel before you go unprotected sex with whoever no a date, you know. Yeah, man, I use condom. You know, so mostly mature people over here, so, but mature people have sex too. Okay, anyways, it's a short video. And like a video for me, please. That was not a Jamaican Rasta, but you know, say Ras business that we started. Haile Selassie Jah Rastafari. Yeah, man. Oh, like a video, man. Like a video.
Who more dramatic, man or woman? Who love drama more?
Woman, you know. I'm going to tell her why, you know.
Right.
She know if you start the war, you know. Cause watch, you know. Whole week, you know, we in the drawers, you know.
Yeah.
And this man, you want to put on drawers. You don't want to give me, man. So blood clot, go back to my room again.
That was lovely. I'm not talking the video. What I just had, what I just swallowed was lovely. Now to the video. Brother, every morning I want it. Every evening I want it, sir. A man say woman provoking more than a man. Well, let me not say. But what is a lady though? The panty them, mama. It's not for you, it's for your sister. Oh my God. I must want to play because there's no way in left in yard now that jazz it. And she look like a big woman. You know a big woman them in Jamaica. Them wear them big panty. When I say big panty, I mean big way waist are hang. Them wear them nice panty where cover their whole body. And then they put on them tights. So a Jamaican big woman they operate. You know that. But the looking lady are funny still. Anyways. Somebody need to come get their son. But guess what? Me like the little boy. He my boy. And he knows him a boy. And he like when he like. He not lean. And he not say him a girl. Watch why I say that.
It was on this day, Little Tyrone from New York recognized that he loved Jamaican women. And he's not going back home.
It was that day, Little Kemar knows say he love Jamaican women. And on that day, Little Kemar decided to say, now come back to America with his mother and father. He must stay at Jamaica. Yeah, man. Anyways.
Watch grandpa, hold him grandpa. You can't just tell say grandpa they are shut in 9 days, you know. I wish song they play again. Life goes on. Life goes on. Go on your old scalawag. Grandpa was a real old, I bet say around 19 kids he have. A Ninja Man grandfather, you know, with them a movie, I know say grandma used to love when grandpa come in at the bed.
Hey, me have to go edit out the song there for sure. And the song for the previous video with the little boy for sure. But the song we are play, I don't know who sing it. Probably a tenor song. Life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day on. That's a song they play, a big tune now. This is a young man now. She don't panic the corner. I don't know if I'm a mentally person we're ill, but it's what I'm have to say.
Good evening, Chinese.
Good evening.
You know, you look very nice.
Thank you.
Right now, remember this, I tell them, we can talk loud for you?
Yeah.
You can talk loud, yeah?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm sick. Right now,
Yeah.
you look like you have 200 pounds of pussy and no problem. If I wonder how you do it. Did you end the line 2 times or something?
No, one time God bless me.
So you end up with 200 pounds of pussy. I don't understand that. I feel you walk with 200 pounds between your foot. I feel you walk with 200 pounds between your foot. How that feel?
Where you, I'm not talking about that. Where you gonna put the money?
Where you gonna put the money?
Yeah,
I put the money in my heart. Me I tell you, I put the money in my
You
heart.
gonna put the money in your heart.
In my heart.
So you always remember me?
I always remember you now.
Oh.
I tell you how much I always remember you too.
Oh.
If they get serious in life and give me a number,
I'm gonna give mine up for your phone there.
you have to buy me a phone to me can call
You
you.
can buy your phone too?
No, that's me can call you. And you know me I call. I not call no other
But why
girl.
you up on the road?
I can't tell you that. I
Are
don't
you
want you stressed
homeless?
out. I don't want you stressed out. I not tell you that.
You're homeless?
No, I'm not homeless though.
So why you on the road?
I'm very poor.
You're poor. Me poor too, you know.
You poor
But
too?
when me can give, me give, done.
You poor?
Yeah. I look rich.
You look like somebody's taking care of you, that's all.
I take care of myself.
You take care of yourself?
Yeah.
That's a nice boy.
Hey, somebody need to go rescue the youth there. Somebody from America, UK, Canada, even Mexico, or even Jamaica need to go rescue the youth there. The youth they have talent. A man full of chat more than same thing there. Rude kids. A man full of chat more than Ninja Man. I know it's a Ninja Man full of chat. Eh? A man tell Shanice say yo. Right now, give me a number so I can call you, yeah? Then pan top of the girl say, yo, you have a phone? Boss say, yo, just buy me. The man say, yo, just buy me a phone, man. You're the only girl me gonna call. He's a real Jamaican, man. Talk truth. Anyway, big up yourself, you. I hope you get the help you need. You're talented. Right now, I'm gonna listen to you whole day, whole night. You're bad. You're full of chat. You're full of words like a dictionary. Yeah, man, you're full of sentence like a poem. You're full of English like a language. Anyways, if you like the video, just like the video for me, please. Share the video. When you share the video, remember say YouTube now promote the videos, you know. So when you share it and the person who you share it to watch it, that's when me get the views. When you leave a comment, the algorithm probably push it a little bit. When you like it, the algorithm probably push it. And just subscribe. Yeah, man. Again, me appreciate everybody watching to the end. So 14%. Me know who and win I hit. Enough people watch it to the end and still no. Them no comment, but me appreciate it. You somehow no like it, but me still appreciate it. Anything that wants to interact with it with the channel, respect, manners, thanks. Now stay safe. But most importantly, just know say, God bless.